Can you feel the stars? They're calling softly. Out in space where dreams begin to bloom, riding on the waves of cosmic wonders, chasing light, we'll dance around the moon. In the night the galaxies are shining, feel the pulse, the rhythm of the tune. Oh, oh, oh. Flying through the stardust. Comets, we'll encounter worlds of bright sensations. Take a step, the cosmos will be ours. Navigating beams of colored galaxies, the universe, our playground filled with stars. Together we'll explore this endless sky now. Feel the energy that's lighting up our route. The stardust. Oh, oh, oh. Shining like a comet. Feel the journey wrapped in pure delight, floating through the endless cosmic night. Every moment feels like pure magic. Lost in space, it's more than just a flight. Oh, oh, oh. Flying through the stardust.